Okay, here's another way to add some creativity to your makerspace or your studio or your art creative space, whatever it is you have for a makerspace. Lots of containers, right, full of materials for kids to create with. Now, normally you keep these really neat, right? You want to just have nice, neat materials and hair. Wow, that's awesome. But instead of keeping it really neat, you can also keep it messy because, to be honest, creativity comes from chaos. It comes from seeing many different things. So what I do is when I find projects laying around, for example, here's a pan flute idea that a girl had built and left. She didn't want it, right? Just a prototype. Instead of throwing this into the recycling or throwing the garbage, throw it back into the box. The pieces may not be usable, but what will happen is when a kid goes looking for this box of materials, they'll find it. And they will start to think, what is this? Who made this? How does it work? Why did they make it? And the goal, of course, is to get kids thinking as much as possible. So that's what this does. Here's some examples in the wooden box. This is a really dangerous thing, and I hesitated to throw it back in, but I did anyway. Here's another piece that's really cool. It's like some kind of a spring or tension system or suspension system, however you look at it. But again, rather than take it apart, leave it together and put it back in the box. This will add a little more creativity and also inspire your students to think a little more.